Without writing a single line of CSS code, you can style your Contact Form 7 using the Divi Contact Form 7 Styler plugin. Using this plugin, you can add your contact form as a Divi module and style it from the Module Design tab like other Divi modules. In the next few minutes, we will learn the great feature of Contact Form 7 Styler plugin, how we can style our Contact Form 7. At first, you should make sure that you have installed the Contact Form 7 plugin and also the Divi Contact Form 7 Styler, which is made by Divi extension. Then go to the contact and click Add a Contact Form. Name your contact form. I'm naming as FAQ. Hit the Save button. After installing the Divi Contact Form Styler, you will see here some options. Row, full width, half, 1/3. What does it mean? This is the great option of the Contact Form 7 Styler plugin. This will help you responsibly make your Contact Form 7 with the great feature. Let's see how it works. At first, add the contact form to a NADB page. Insert a row. Add the module. From the select from, select the FAQ. As you can see here that our default design Contact Form 7 has been appear. And we want here to split this row or split this field and add here on first name and add here on last name on the same row but different column. How we can do that? By default, it is not possible in Contact Form, but using our plugin, you can achieve this. We are copying the field with name. That should be first name and last name. At first, we will add row. Paste here. And our to name field will be under the same row, but we will split it. How we can split it? Take this one half and copy it. You can use the insert button also, but somehow if the insert button doesn't work, you should copy from here as I am doing. Split the first name. This is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Same goes to here. Starting tag and this is the ending tag. Okay. Save it and check on time. Everything is all right. Then go to our Divi page and first save it and reload it. As you can see here that the column has been split and this is on the same row. This is not the another row. Okay. Using our module, let's start a simple design to the contact form. Let's start with design. Go to design and start with common. No, we are not changing the form background color. Full width button, don't need it. Button alignment. If you can keep it in center. Left, I would like to keep it left. And also you can keep it into the right side. From text. Okay. Field font. Pop-ins. And regular is enough. Field text size 14 pixel. Letter spacing, no. Label font, pop-ins, semi-bold, and I would increase as 16 pixel. Okay. Placeholder. We don't have currently no placeholder, so I do not bring any changes here. Let's jump in the field. From field background color, make it white. From field active color, no change on here, but you can change it. Radio checkbox, no. Button, yeah. 20 pixel and make it black. Oh, no, this should be white. And background color, this should be black. Button font, Poppins, semi-bold, font width, and button border color, make it black. And button border width, okay. Radius, increase it. I like some round shape like button. Okay, that's great. And I want to change the full background color of this section. So open the section settings and the background. And I want to select a very light color. So starting with EF. Okay. That's how you can simply and very easily design your contact form without writing a single line of CSS code. And please don't forget to take a look as well as Instagram feed, Divi Pro Gallery, and the Google reviews.